Gold H4 chart. Last week gold was up again and your last two big resistance almost broken. And from this top to bottom 61% retracement complete near 2387. So you can say this is last area as a retracement or maybe resistance. So either price reverse from here or goes up more, then you can say that was your double bottom. But again price is still inside sideways range. So this week this area 2387 static horizontal resistance is big level. So previous resistance almost there, full retracement top to bottom almost there. So bullish above this level, bearish below this level. But for more clarity, this sideways range between psychological level 23 and 2400, you have to shift from H4 to daily chart. Here on daily chart, if that was triangle chart pattern, then it is breakout and you have 3 closing outside the triangle chart pattern. For support, this trend line is your big dynamic support level. As long as price trading above this trend line, it is bullish and there is no limit for upside target. But again, it is inside this sideways range between psychological level. So I am again expecting sideways range even if price goes above 2450 level, then it will not stay much time outside the range. It has to return back inside the range. So this is candlestick chart, things are not clear, but if you see line chart, then right now price is making right shoulder of head and shoulder chart pattern. And this dynamic trend line is your neckline. For static resistance, you can watch H4 time frame, clear level near 2387. But you have two clear chart pattern on daily chart. A possible head and shoulder chart pattern and big dynamic support as a trend line. If you ignore that possible head and shoulder chart pattern, then daily chart right now is bullish for gold in big way. If you see from this low to high, your WXY wave exactly 38% projection. So price have tested this level 3 times. Each time you have seen rejection. This level test again. 2450 area is again a sale zone. Because that trend almost over. Because after last week 2 economic indicator, ISM service PMI which is 48 and NFP number, your UR rate is up again 4.1%. So these two numbers are saying loud and clear US economy is going for recession. And after these two economic indicators, all the people who predict gold direction based on fundamental, then these two indicators are enough to say gold is bullish. Technical are already bullish. So this week after these two economic indicators, you can say everything is right now bullish for gold, including technical on daily chart. Because from here in future, these economic indicator which come every month, they will only decrease from here. More they goes down, more recession. And all these economic indicators say one thing, that Fed can cut in next FOMC meeting. They have all the reason to cut interest rate right now. So Fed forecasted 3 cut in December FOMC meeting, then pivot towards only 1 cut this year. But right now 2 rate cut this year are already priced in. And there are total 4 FOMC meeting this year, 2 cuts already priced in. So if market price rate cut in each FOMC meeting this year, then total 4 and gold can break out about 2450. But NFP is your most lagging indicator. It is now showing 4.1% UR. And again this week you have Fed speech and again you have CPI number this week. But I think CPI number is not important anymore. You have downtick in PCE number and ISM service PMI low, NFP showing 4.1%. So recession is already here. Even if Fed cut 25 basis point rate cut in next FOMC meeting, but soon PCE number will be down more than their first rate cut size. Gold has breakout its relationship with real yield, and that is a big thing. But difference between their core PCE number and Fed interest rate will increase more. And what is the benefit of their only 25 basis point rate cut for gold? Because real yield will decide rate cut or hike are bullish or bearish for gold, not actual rate decision. Then your last and final news will be on Friday. PPI number. When your NFP and ISM both are down, then why you need to wait for PPI or CPI this week? So trendline is your dynamic support. 2387 H4 time frame resistance, and right now head and shoulder chart pattern possible bearish technical setup. If price goes up more from here, then it will invalid, but before that you have bearish chart pattern and inlet wave counting from this October low saying price must stop at 2433. And for more clarity, if you watch weekly chart, then WXY wave Y projection exactly 2451. So daily and weekly both chart are saying top must be near 2450. So like I said last week, again this blue candlestick say weekly chart is bullish, or maybe you can say weekly chart is full bullish right now technically. What you saw last week, that was first week or second half of the year and third quarter of this year, and all the big players have all the reason fundamental to buy gold. 48 service PMI number and 4.1% UR rate in biggest economy USA. If number one economy goes into recession, then all the poor country will go into economic depression. So technical level from monthly chart are same, which I explained in detail in last video. But important thing is, when we have Biden Trump debate, a company was saying they have data, they have access to public heart rate. That means before speech and after speech and during their statement, they knew what public were thinking. They can hide that thing, they can do it secretly, but problem is they are saying that thing in publicly in news channel. So if they have access to heart rate of public during political speech, then what is the point of November election this year? And soon, because of health issue, Biden will leave the president race and Trump will be only person, and public will have no choice to make Trump president again. So you can say November election is meaningless. Trump is already your president. And all the thing since September 2022, Fed is delaying recession. They will replace Fed in 2026, no doubt. They lost credibility and they will replace Biden with Trump. And what is the point of delaying recession for Biden election? Neither Biden will win and neither Powell will survive as a chairman. And if you remember those time, gold bullish trend in Trump time, then UBS Bank is saying gold is number one choice for next 6 months. And Goldman have already said why they are bullish gold because of Trump. But one thing you must remember in this election year, 2018 when Powell came, 2020 when Trump escaped economic depression, 2022 when Biden escaped recession, and 2023 exactly 1 year before election avoiding recession once again. In 2024, if Fed delayed recession once again for any political reason, then gold can stay above 24. Otherwise, gold will stay below 2400 level. And then we will decide gold will retest this triple top or not. So back to daily chart, trendline dynamic support, head and shoulder chart pattern, right shoulder, possible triangle chart pattern, then it is already breakout, and current price level from daily to H4, 61% retracement top to bottom, that means 2387 is your last level. If price goes $30 more from this level, then you can say that was your double bottom. Does not go up from here, reverse, impulse, 61% retracement.